Hello, this is Miss Castillo, and I will be your summer camp teacher for the next 13 days. This does begin tomorrow, Wednesday, June 3rd. To prepare for this, I need for you to join our summer camp Google Classroom. And so to do that, many of you are already familiar with Google Classroom, but to do that is you will go to your fortworthisd.org. So you can just click open. If you're not already here, you can just go to google.com and then you could just type in fortworthisd.org. That takes you, you'll go to your home page. Then right here where it says My Fort Worth ISD class link, you will click that. When you click that, it takes you to a page where you will have to log in if you haven't logged in before. Okay, if you need your login information, please let me know. Otherwise, you have been already logging into your class link, so it will probably automatically take you here to your Launchpad. This is what it's going to look like. Okay. Now, again, if you click on the Fort Worth ISD My Class link and it doesn't automatically take you to this page, it's going to ask you for your user ID and your password. If you don't have that, please let me know and I can give that to you. Otherwise, those of you that have been in my first grade class, you will should automatically get logged into here. Just like before, you will click your Google Classroom. When you click Google Classroom, what you're going to see, I'll let this come up. Okay, you're going to see this. Okay, Miss Castillo's summer camp. All you need to do is click join. That's it. Click join and you're automatically added into the Google Classroom. This is where you are going to find your assignments. I will be connecting with you virtually, trying to meet up with you on that. So this is the first step. If you have any questions on how to connect and join our summer camp, summer school Google Classroom after watching this video, please reach out and let me know. It's very important that this is set up so that you are ready for this for tomorrow, Wednesday, June 3rd. Thank you.